Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to view your orders in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions. And from here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. And then here at the top we find overview. Under the overview section we find orders, and if you tap on this, here a list with the orders that we have placed so far will appear. In our current case there isn't any orders, so this list is empty, but if you have already placed some orders you can check back on them here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.